If you've ever wondered who made what changes to a Jira ticket, or simply need to track the progress of an issue over time, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to view the full ticket history in Jira, so you can confidently follow every update, catch any changes, or settle those who did what debates without any hassle. Let's jump in and walk through the entire process together. First things first, go ahead and log into your Jira account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the project you're interested in. This is important since Jira permissions can sometimes be a little tricky. If you're working on a larger team or with multiple projects, double-check that you've selected the correct project from the dashboard. You don't want to accidentally view the ticket history from the wrong project. Trust me, it happens to all of us at least once. Once you're inside the correct project, the next step is to track down the specific ticket you want to investigate. You can do this a couple of different ways. If you know the ticket's key or summary, just use the search bar at the top. Type in the ticket number or a few words from the title, hit enter, and you should see your ticket pop right up. If you're not sure of the exact ticket, take your time to browse through the issues list or use filters to narrow it down by assignee, date, or even status. This part might take a few moments if your project has a lot of open tickets, so stay patient. Remember, finding the exact ticket is crucial because the rest of our steps depend on the information inside that ticket's details. With your ticket open, you'll now be looking at what's usually called the detail view. This screen packs a lot of information, but don't get overwhelmed. What we're interested in is actually a little further down the page. Go ahead and scroll past the ticket summary and the description. Keep scanning down until you see a section labeled Activity. Jira's layout can vary slightly depending on if you're using cloud or server, but the activity section is there in both, usually nestled below the ticket's main info and any attachments. Inside the activity section, you'll likely see a handful of tabs like All, Comments, and History. Click on the one called History. If you don't see it at first, no worries. A gentle nudge on that section or a quick refresh can sometimes bring it up, especially if your Jira has customizations. Now, once you're in the History tab, you'll see a chronological timeline of every update that's been made to this ticket. This is where Jira shines. It keeps track of who changed what and when. For example, you'll spot status changes, like when a ticket shifted from To Do to In Progress or Done. You'll see edits to the ticket's description. So if you ever wondered why those requirements suddenly changed, you'll find the answer here. Changes to key details like the due date or the assignee, and even comments or work log updates will all appear in this history list. Take your time reviewing the timeline. If you see any unfamiliar names or unexpected changes, don't hesitate to hover over each entry to get more detail or check timestamps for added context. This history not only helps you understand how work is progressing, but also gives your team a transparent, auditable trail that's invaluable for troubleshooting, reporting, or just staying in the loop. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll never be left guessing about a Jira ticket's past again. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Jira or want to see another feature explained, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.